Okay, wait lang. Bago ka bumili ng printer, kailangan mo munang malaman ang dalawang bagay. Ink type at printing business type. Let's go. Una, ink type. Dye ink. Perfect para sa mga documents, schoolworks at everyday printing. Malinaw at mura gamitin. Pigment ink. Ideal to para sa souvenirs, workbooks at photo printing. Matibay, water resistant. Sublimation ink. Kung gagawa ka ng sublimation products like t-shirt, mags, tumblers, or keychain, ito ang kailangan mo. Eco solvent. Para naman sa mga stickers business, card decals at outdoor prints. DTF ink. Ito ang all-arounder. Pwede sa lahat. Pwede sa t-shirt, wood, canvas, plus super vibrant ang colors. Kaya bago ka bumili ng printer, isipin mo muna kung ano ang business ang papasukin mo. Documents ba, souvenirs, apparel, or stickers? Pag alam mo yan, madali lang pumili ng tamang ink type. Save money, better quality. Again, I'm Nats, and if you found this video helpful or inspiring, please don't forget to like, share, and follow me on my social media accounts for more tutorials and updates.